500 parteċipanti inkluż dawk minn barra l-pajjiż bi professjonijiet differenti fl-industrija tas-servizzi finanzjarji bħalissa jattendu għal konferenza mtella fuq jumejn mill-Borża ta' Malta dwar il-governanza, riski u l-konformità fil-qasir GRC u dawk dwar l-ambjent, is-soċjal u l-governanza magħrufin bħala l-ESGs. Il-konferenza qed tara kelliema distinti fosthom esperti lokali u internazzjonali u jinkludu rappreżentanti mill-World Federation of Exchanges, mill-Borża tal-Lussemburgu, mill-Bank of England, l-IBM, l-European Gaming and Betting Association, kif ukoll mill-Burs de Casablanca u Borsa Istanbul. Fil-fatt, f'kumment ma' dal-istazzjon iċ-Chairman Eżekuttiv tal-Borża ta' Malta, Joseph Portelli, tenna kif l-esperti internazzjonali qed jaraw lil Malta bħala mudell ideali ta' suċċess.
And it's all about sending a message to the world that here in Malta, we do take governance, risk, compliance, and ESG very seriously. I'm very proud to say that we have over 500 participants at this conference. 70 of them have come from foreign destinations. We actually have 3 people here who've flown in from the University of Hong Kong just to attend this summit.
Portelli sit jgħid li f'din l-industrija tant kruċjali għall-ekonomija ta' pajjiżna u jara serjetà kbira minn min jipparteċipa fiha.
It's absolutely outstanding. You know, as chairman of the Malta Stock Exchange, I attend board meetings and I sit on a number of boards, and I can tell you this, the governance in the financial landscape here in Malta is as good as it gets. There are so many very thoughtful participants who take their compliance roles very seriously.
Il-ħamis fil-għodu ndirizzaw ukoll il dawk preżenti il-Ministru għall-Finanzi Clyde Caruana u l-Ministru għall-Ambjent, l-Enerġija u t-Tindif Pubbliku Mirjam Dalli.